Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. In this video tutorial, we will understand what is stock reordering and how to create a stock reorder journal. There might be products whose market never goes down, so you want those products to always be in stock so that its supply is not interrupted. Axanta ERP helps to set a rule called reordering that monitors and replenishes the stock when it goes down to a minimum quantity. Now, let us understand what is stock reordering. Let's take an example of this product named 3D silicone case on which you want to set the reordering rules. So you can click on the reordering rules option here and you can see there are reordering rules created already in the system. Here you can see the minimum quantity is 300 and the maximum quantity is 350 for store 1, and for store 2 the minimum quantity is 250 and the maximum quantity is 300. This means that whenever the stock level goes below these minimum quantities, the system would alert you to reorder the quantity. Now we shall learn how to create a stock reorder journal. So go to the menu, go to inventory module, under journals click on stock reorder journal. Now to create a new stock reorder journal, click on this create button. Here you can enter the date and the description. Now in the reordering rules, you can select the products for which you want to set the reordering rules. So let's select the product. You can enter the warehouse or the store. So we'll select this main warehouse. Now you can enter the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity. So we'll add minimum and the maximum quantity, and this quantity multiple should always be 1. Similarly, we will add one more item. For this we will select store 1. Now, after entering all the details, you can click on the save button. Earlier, we had entered the products manually. Now, we shall see how to enter the products using the import option. So on the right hand side, click on this arrow, click here and click on import reordering rules. Now click on this download option and a CSV file will be downloaded. So this is the file that has been downloaded. Here you need to fill in details like product ID, warehouse ID, UOM ID, product minimum quantity, product maximum quantity, quantity multiple and lead dates. Now the quantity multiple and lead dates should always be 1. As we have entered all the details, here you can see these two are the same products, but we have set two different reordering rules for these two stores. So once you have entered all the details, you can save this file. Now we shall upload this file. So click on upload, select the file that has been downloaded and click on import. Now as you can see, all the details entered in the file are displayed here. Now we shall click on the post button. So click here. Now if you want to see how the changes are reflected in the product master, so for example, let's take this product and I will open the product master in the new tab. So this is the product master. Here we will search for the product here, and as you can see in the reordering rules option, two rules has been created, that is for store 2 and for store 5 respectively. So this is how we can create a stock reorder journal and set reordering rules on various products using the import option. While creating an internal transfer using the reordering rules, here in the warehouses you can set priorities to various stores or warehouses. So according to the priority given, the system would allocate the stock. Now we shall see how to create a purchase order or an internal transfer using the reordering rules. So go to the menu, click on inventory module. Under periodic, click on stock reordering, and here you can see the system has created demand against the reordering rules that has been set. Now let us say you want to create an order only for stores. So here in the search bar we'll enter store and click on search warehouse for store, and here you can see all the reordering rules associated with stores would get displayed. And similarly, you can create an order for particular products or for a supplier using this filter option. Now in this case, as we want to replenish the inventory only for stores, so here we'll enter store. Now let's create an order. So click here and click on create order option. Now here in the order type you can create the purchase order or an internal transfer. Now internal transfers are generally created when a business has multiple stores and they want to transfer various products from the main warehouse to replenish their store inventory. Whereas purchase orders can be created when you want to replenish your warehouse stock. So in this case we'll select internal transfer, then we'll select the warehouse from where you want to transfer the products. Now here in the check on hand, if you mark this option as true, the system would check the stock in the warehouse that has been selected and make the transfers accordingly. And if there is no stock available for a certain product in the main warehouse, then the internal transfer would not be created. Now we will click on the create order button. As you can see, the system has created these transfers, and here in the is system created option is true. So this is how we can create a purchase order or an internal transfer using the reordering rules. Now we shall see how the reordering rules are reflected in the system. So go to the menu, click on inventory module. Under inquiries, click on reordering rules, and here you can see all the reordering rules that are created in the system. Now let's say due to some reason this store 1 is no more in function and you want to remove this store. So in the search bar, enter store 1 and click on search warehouse for store 1. Now click here and select this archive option. Now on the other hand, let's say you have discontinued selling this product and you want to remove the reordering rules from this product. So select this product and in the search bar enter this product and click on search product. Now click here and select the archive option. So this is how the reordering rules are reflected in the system, and you can archive various stores and products as per your requirements. Now we shall understand what is the auto set min max option. Auto set min max is nothing but it helps to automatically set the min max quantity of various products for the reordering rules. So let's take this store 5. Now here in the auto set min max option, if you mark this option as true, then the system would automatically set the minimum and the maximum quantity for various products while making an internal transfer for the store. So click on edit and mark this option as true and save it. Now for example, let's take this product, and here in the reordering rules, as you can see, there are no rules set. So we shall make an internal transfer for this product. So to create a new internal transfer, click on this create button. Here enter the location from where you want to transfer the products. So we'll select main warehouse, and here enter the location to where you want to transfer the products. So we'll select store 5. Mark this auto received option as true. Now select the product that you want to transfer. Enter the quantity, let's say 5, and save it. Now click on this confirm button. Once the internal transfer is processed, we'll see how the changes are reflected in the product master. So I'll open the product master in the new tab. So this is the product master. Here in the search bar, we'll search for that product. And here, as you can see, the system has automatically set the min and max quantity for this product and for this store, on which we had marked the auto set min max option as true. So this is how the auto set min max option allows you to automatically set the min and max quantity of various products for the reordering rules.